Good morning, class. Welcome to day 6 of your Still Life unit. This video will discuss today's task list and the assignments that need to be completed. So your learning goal is to create a still life drawing that shows form through the use of value. So everything that we've been building up towards has been to show three-dimensionality, to make each object look three-dimensional, to show form, by using value, the change from light to dark, or the fade from white to black. It's very important that your final project shows full value, as was displayed in last class's video at the end, where everything showed value throughout the paper, and that you are showing close attention to the light and shadow on each object. Your essential question is, how do artists create work that is pleasing and demands viewers' attention? And the answers are that they first plan the space of their entire paper, they fill all the space. 2, that they have a variety of objects and things in the artwork to look at. They can have a lot of line detail in each object. They can have color, if they add color. We are not, but they could have color. And then value, which we are adding light and shadow on all the objects. And now there are possibly more to talk about, but those are the main 5 that I've come up with to share with the class. And you are going to be answering that question in next class's learning log assignment. So please make sure that you really understand that question and that you take note of those 5 things we just discussed. If you need to write it down to help you, then that's fine. But you should be discussing those 5 things in tomorrow's assignment. And then lastly, your vocabulary word is space. This is the last word in our vocabulary list for this unit, and we're going to be discussing that below. So your first task is to watch the Space ET video, the Space entrance ticket video. That will give you the answers to today's entrance ticket questions. And your questions are, what is space, and how can the use of space help grab the viewer's attention? Now, we just talked about, in order to create a pleasing artwork in your essential question, using the space properly is key, but this question asks you to specifically break down how you use the space, whether it's the space of the paper or the space between your objects. We'll be discussing that in the video here. All right, so do both of these, do step 1 and 2. Then when you're done, just continue to work on your assignment and submit it to your day 6 student progress. Just submit an updated photo of how your project is coming. And as a benchmark goal, just make sure that you continue to add value to each object. It doesn't state it here, but if you were about halfway done, that would be great for your progress, so that you only would have 2 or 3 objects to add value to shade by next class, so you can finish on time. And if you're not here, it's okay, but please be working towards having everything done by next class so you can finish on time and start the new project without having to worry about this one. To get the best grade possible, please make sure you're paying very close attention to the light and shadow on each object and using your photograph as a reference to see where the light and shadows are on each object. And make sure that you have the whole range of the bright white to the light gray, the medium gray, the dark gray, and the black. Make sure you have the whole range. Every object should have all 5 of those different tints and shades on them, and really any shades in between. All right, please let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, I will talk to you all shortly in the Space ET video. And I hope you guys all have a great class, and I look forward to seeing how your projects are coming together. All right, everyone, talk to you soon. Bye.